Here's one that sneaks past a lot of people, even seasoned smokers. We've all been that guy. Big lighter in hand, half the cap cut off, puffing away like it's a Marlboro. Look, it's part of the journey. But the truth is, some rookie mistakes stick with us way longer than they should. Doesn't matter if you're brand new or 10 years in, at least one of these is gonna sting a little. So let's go. First up, overcutting the cap. Newbies do it all the time, but even vets sometimes rush and chop off way too much. What happens? The wrapper unravels, the drawer gets sloppy, and the whole cigar fills off. Cut just above the shoulder, that curved part at the top. Less is more here. Next mistake, lighting your cigar like a cigarette, holding the flame right in the foot and puffing like a freight train. Nope, that's a fast way to char the wrapper and ruin the flavor before you even start. Toast the foot from a distance, rotate slowly, get an even orange glow before you take a puff. You're not starting a fire, you're warming up the flavor. I shouldn't have to say this, but I still see people doing it, inhaling cigar smoke. And it's not just rookies, sometimes you're drinking, you're distracted, and it just happens. Don't ever inhale. Just let the smoke sit in your mouth, enjoy the flavor and exhale. That is all you need. Okay, quick one. If you're not retrohaling, you're missing 50% of the flavor. But I won't go deep here. We've got a full video on the channel that shows exactly how to do it without burning your nose off. Go check out that one next. Next up, ash panic. You've seen it. Guy taps the ash every few seconds like he's afraid it will spill on his lap. But ash actually helps. It keeps the burn cool and consistent. Let it build naturally. An inch or so is great. When it feels loose, tap it off, that's all. Here's a big one. Helping a friend light up their first cigar? Awesome. Correcting every move they make in front of a group? Less awesome. I get it, you mean well, but nobody wants a cigar seminar during their first puff. Light it with them, offer a quiet tip, pull them aside if you need to, let them enjoy the moment. If you've made it this far and haven't liked the video, what are you doing? Smash that like button, drop a comment with your own cigar oops moments, and subscribe if you're into laid-back, useful cigar content like this. It really helps the channel grow, and we appreciate it big time. So now let's head to mistake number 7, smoking too fast. This isn't a cigarette. Puffing every few seconds just overheats the cigar. You'll get harsh, bitter flavors and burn it unevenly. Think slow, relaxed draws every 45 seconds to a minute. Let it cool between puffs. It will thank you with flavor. Here's one that sneaks past a lot of people, even seasoned smokers. Still tossing cigars into a dry wood box and hoping for the best? The humidor needs to be seasoned before storing cigars, and calibrating your hydrometer matters. Even long-time smokers forget this. Dry cigars are sad cigars. Don't let that happen. Now let's talk about strength and stomachs. Lighting a powerhouse cigar like a Liga Privada or My Father Le Bijou before breakfast will humble you. Seriously, eat first. A light meal goes a long way. Nausea mid-smoke is no fun, and strong cigars hit hard. And finally, the most easy to overlook mistake, but it matters. You get a new box, rip it open, light one up immediately, and it tastes flat. Let cigars rest in the humidor for 3 to 7 days after shipping. They'll stabilize and smoke way better. So how many of these did you recognize? Be honest, I've made almost all of them at one point. Still catch myself rushing a cut now and then. If you've learned anything today, smash that like button. Let me know if you want more cigar mistakes. I've got at least 5 more.